Canon EOS Rebel T6 digital SLR camera with 18 to 55mm f/f 3.5 to 5.6:2 lens plus 58mm wide-angle lens plus 2x telephoto lens plus flash plus 48GB South Dakota memory card plus UV filter kit plus tripod plus full accessory bundle. This PHOTO4 less top value camera and lens with USA warranty and manufacturer's supplied accessories kit includes Canon EOS Rebel T6 DSLR camera body -18 to 55mm f/f 3.5 to 5.6:2 lens 58mm high definition wide angle lens and 58mm 2x professional telephoto lens. Transcend 32GB SDHC Class 10 flash memory card. Transcend 16GB SDHC Class 10 flash memory card. PHOTO4 less DC59 camera case P4LCCS30. Photo video quality tripod. Digital DSLR auto power slave flash, RS60 remote switch for Canon 3-piece UV filter kit, UV CPL flip, 58mm, high-speed South Dakota USB card reader 58mm ultraviolet UV protector filter, memory card wallet, LCD screen protectors, clear, tabletop tripod 3-piece cleaning kit, lens cap holder. 18MP APS-C CMOS sensor Digit 4 Plus image processor 3.0 920K LCD monitor Full HD 1080p video recording at 30fps 9.f with center cross type point extended is 12800, 3fps shooting built-in Wi-Fi with NFC scene intelligent auto mode basic plus and creative auto modes.